Hey, seventh graders. I wanted to talk to you about this assignment. This should be in your module right here. It's going to be for tomorrow, for Tuesday, where you're going to complete your timeline project slide. This right here, as you can see, 1027 tomorrow. So this is what it looks like, right? I asked you to grab this slide from the copy and paste slides last week and put this slide in your notebook in the assignment section. It says that right here for you. You can also delete the star once you've got it in the assignments section of your notebook. So if I go to my notebook, right, I'm here at the assignment section. If I scroll down, you're going to see my version of my timeline project, right? Okay, so to do this task today, your job is to reflect on, I'm going to delete this, so reflect on your timeline project, your event. You're going to start by putting the title of your event here. So if your event was like mine, and it was the March on Washington, right, I would put March on Washington 1963 right here in the title. Then I'm going to think about the most interesting fact I learned about my event. So what was the most interesting thing you learned about that time period? What was something that surprised you? So I was surprised to learn. What were you surprised by? And what are you still curious about? What questions do you still have? You're going to fill in one sentence, at least for each of these, and then you're going to take that picture that you submitted for your timeline project, and you're going to copy that image into this space. And once you do, you can get rid of this. So you can put it in there, and then once it's in there, you're good to go. And you're going to make sure that this is in your notebook, your social studies digital notebook, with your picture of your timeline project, this all filled out. And this is a part of your notebook check, right? So when I check your notebook over the next week, this is one thing that I'll be looking for. So please make sure that you have this done. It should be done by the end of the week. It is assigned for tomorrow in Canvas, so you can work on it tomorrow. There's this video for you to watch and see what you can do. And then you'll see that there is a slide available. If for some reason you don't have this slide in your digital notebook, you can find it here underneath this video that you're watching right now in our Canvas modules this week. So check it out. All right, make sure you get this done, get caught up. Where remember, this notebook is like our portfolio where we're collecting our assignments throughout the year. So it's a great place to keep everything you've got. All right, thanks.